Yeah. So in today's world, network has become the backbone of every business. So for us, especially for me, business for any business, a network is critical. It has to be resilient, secure, and scalable. And above all, it has to be simple, so business can make use of it. The main uh, thing which motivates you is your interest. So as I had an interest in technology from beginning, that kept me going. Along with that, one another uh, thing played a major role, which is a vision toward what we want to do. So we work on terminology of learn, solve, and automate, and that's the
Mhm.
vision we work towards. So this is something which kept me going, in the
Mm.
technology field. There's a network operations center called NOC where we handle the network operation for all different kind of businesses. Now, network operations center builds on two major pillars. One pillar is a tool which triggers an alert for any kind of anomaly or any device going up and down. And second pillar is the people, trained, certified engineers who look at those alerts and use their expertise and experience to solve the issues. Now, in the modern world, as the network has scaled so faster and the kind of problems are different and it takes time to solve, what we have come up with the newest version of it called day2.work. Under
Mhm.
day2.work, these both pillars has been
Mm.
powered by AI agents. So
Mm.
where the first pillar, which was working as an tool, now it has been supported by our own AI agentic uh, self-healing tool named Linkai. And
Mm.
the second pillar, which is engineers and engineers expertise,
Mm.
that there we have added our AI agentic knock,
Mm.
where our engineers are powered by AI agents,
Mm.
where they have the relative information,
Mm.
relative data, so that they
Mm.
can take actions faster. AI is good, and AI is growing rapidly, very fast. It is learning. However, AI looks at every problem as a machine angle. It
Mm.
try to solve the problem as a machine, looking at ones and zeros and figuring out the patterns. However, human has evolved from a long time, and human understanding of problems, situations are different. So I feel it is critical and very important to have human empathy in mind, human
Mm.
approach in mind. So the way human understand the problem, and this obviously helps AI to evolve and to
Mm.
grow faster. So
Mm.
human empathy is very important, I would say. Yes, NaaS as a network as a service is a key for new businesses. When I say new businesses,
Mm.
nowadays business are scaling so fast and they have been decentralized, converting from one head office to multiple branches. Giving you example of all these e-retails to deliver us a product, they need a store nearest to our location. Now,
Mm.
when we work on this scale and when any business work on this scalable idea, it is very financial heavy to spend capex on all those businesses IT requirements. So
Mm.
in our network as a service model, we
Mm.
take care of that capex to opex, where businesses has to pay as a subscription, which helps them to grow and avoid all the unnecessary burden. That's the first feature of it, capex
Mm.
to opex.
Mm.
And second, obviously the biggest advantage of it, it it as a business takes a lot of time to understand what kind of product should be used, what kind of technology should be used, what kind of solution should be applied, and then how we operate. This takes a lot of crucial time of a business. Now we help customers to, or our businesses customers to work on outcome based. So they what all we are looking for at the end is a result. So we provide a service which is an outcome based, not on the product based or a solution based. What outcome you expect? So when we have a discussion with our customer, we have any kind of discussion, we ask them, what is the outcome you're looking for? And we customize our network as a service model based on the
Mm.
outcome. So these two pillars, when we work on it strongly, helps all the businesses to grow faster and scale faster. Yes, yes. Success stories are always a motivation for us, and it keeps us going. Um, so one of the success story which I can share with you is about uh, of our customer who is a retail chain. Uh, so what we were experiencing based on our analytics, that any kind of incident which gets created based on some problem or ticket, it was taking around 30 minutes for our engineer to solve that problem.
Mm.
Now, as the connectivity and the network is so critical for business, 30 minutes is a quite long time. So when we worked in and started looking at it and started applying our AI agentic approach along with human expertise, we were able to bring that time shorter from 30 minutes to 4 minutes. Now, this is a huge impact. It's a huge time saving, and majorly we call it as MTTR, mean time to resolution. Problem happens in the world, network goes down, but our approach to the network is one, we work on the predictive analysis where we do our best so that it doesn't get impacted. But by if any other circumstance it gets impacted, how faster you can bring it back. So this is one of the story where we were able to bring the MTTR down from 30 minutes to 4 minutes, and that was a huge success for us. When we started this organization almost 11 years ago, we started with the very niche and basic requirement of the industry, which was wireless and the network access control. So as we grown bigger, we added other crucial technologies like security, cybersecurity, and cloud to our business. And over the period, looking at the enterprise scale and enterprise business, we have added enterprise applications and private 5G to our portfolio. So I can proudly say that today we cater, or we be able to provide solution on overall enterprise uh, business solutions to our customer.